Here's everything you need to know about one of Google's most exciting creative playgrounds, Google Labs FX. In this episode, we're breaking down 4 powerful tools: Whisk, Flow, ImageFX, and MusicFX. Each one is designed to push your creativity further, whether you're making visuals, music, or even entire videos. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know what these tools do, but also exactly how to use them step by step. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. Let's start with Whisk. This is your creative assistant for planning and structuring projects. What makes Whisk special is how it lets you mix together different creative ingredients. You can begin by simply adding a subject, a scene, and a style by typing in a prompt or adding an image. For example, type in a futuristic cafe in neon colors, cinematic style, and Whisk instantly generates image results. Think of it like a creative sketchpad powered by AI, where you can explore moods and directions before committing to a final version. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for those early stages where you're exploring what something should look or feel like. Flow, on the other hand, is where things get cinematic. This tool takes you from simple text or images straight into fully generated videos. The most common way is text to video. You type your prompt, say a city skyline at night with neon lights and drones flying overhead, and then before hitting generate, you'll want to choose the right model version. VO3 Fast and Quality allows you to create footages with audio included, while VO2 generates without audio. Each generation costs 10 credits, so it's worth knowing what you want in advance. Beyond text, Flow also gives you the option of frames to video, where you upload or generate 2 images. One for where the video starts and one for where it ends. Flow then animates the transformation between them, giving you smooth and cinematic transitions. And for even more control, there's Ingredients to Video, which allows you to upload your own images or generate new ones and then combine them into a sequence. This is where Flow really shines because it's not just about producing one clip, it's about building custom footage from multiple creative elements. Whether you're a YouTuber looking for B-roll, a student making a project presentation, or a marketer building an ad, Flow puts powerful video generation into your hands. Next up is ImageFX, and this one is a real game changer because it's completely free. While most AI image generators require credits or subscriptions, Google made this tool accessible to everyone. To use it, you just enter your prompt. For example, a watercolor painting of a mountain landscape at sunrise, and it instantly produces your images. But it doesn't stop there. By clicking the settings icon, you can change the dimensions of your output to fit exactly what you need, whether for a poster, a thumbnail, or a background. And here's the really fun part. ImageFX comes with a wide variety of styles. All you need to do is hit the refresh icon and it instantly gives you new style options to apply to your prompt. This means you can keep experimenting until you find the exact look you're going for. Because it's free and unlimited, students can use it for school projects, designers can use it for mock-ups, and creators can make endless visuals without worrying about cost. It's one of the most approachable yet powerful tools in the suite, making professional quality art accessible to everyone. Finally, we have MusicFX, which brings audio creation into the mix. With this tool, you can generate not just songs but also sound effects and unique audio tracks tailored to your needs. Using it is simple. Enter your prompt, describing the kind of music or sound you want, then select the genre that fits best. For instance, you could type energetic rock track with electric guitar and heavy drums, and choose the rock genre, and MusicFX will deliver multiple variations instantly. If you're making a video, this saves hours of searching for the right track. If you're a student, you can use it to make study playlists, and if you're a content creator, you now have custom sound effects or background music that's original and tailored exactly to your vibe. It's quick, flexible, and surprisingly fun to experiment with, because even a small change in the prompt or genre can completely transform the final output. When you first sign in to your Google FX account, the first thing you'll notice is that they actually give you 100 free credits right off the bat. This is super helpful because it lets you test things out without committing to anything. You can try generating a few video clips in Flow, play around with Whisk, and really see how the credit system works in practice. Think of it like a free trial run. You get to experiment, get comfortable, and figure out which features you'll be using the most before deciding to spend a cent. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all tools inside Google FX rely on credits. ImageFX, for example, is completely free. You can generate as many images as you want, explore different styles, change dimensions, and hit refresh for endless variations, all without worrying about running out of credits. But when it comes to the heavier tools like Whisk and Flow, those do use credits. Every time you generate a new project, whether it's drafting with Whisk or producing footage with Flow, it takes from your credit balance. And once you've used up the free 100 credits, that's when you'll want to look into the different subscription options. Google makes this really flexible depending on how often you create. They've set up several plans you can choose from. If you're just starting out or only need a light top-up, you can get 2,500 credits for 1,400 pesos or about $25. For those who are creating a little more consistently, there's the mid-tier option of 5,000 credits for 2,750 pesos or roughly $48. And if you're someone who's constantly producing content, maybe you're a marketer, a freelancer, or just someone who loves pushing out videos and visuals all the time, there's the big package of 20,000 credits for 10,900 pesos or around $190. And here's the best part. All of these credits are valid for a full 12 months. That means you don't have to rush or feel pressured to use them right away. You can spread them out, pace yourself, and use them when you actually need them. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.